Welcome to Azos' walkthrough video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to open a safe, close a safe, and interact with your position. So we are going to start off at Azos.finance. When you're at the page, go to the top right and click Launch App. This will open the Azos app. We are currently in Season 1. Connect your wallet. I'll be using MetaMask for today. Azos' Season 1 is on base Sepolia. Now that I've connected my wallet, to create an account, we click the My Account page. You'll be required to enter a referral code to continue. Use one of the referral codes from another user or check our posts for a referral code. I'll be using the Build on Base referral code. Once your account has been initialized, you can create a safe. So first I'll create a proxy. The proxy will allow me to interact with all of my safes. Safes that have reached the debt limit are not eligible for opening a new safe. Today we'll create one with GTC ETH. You can see your balance for all assets here. To participate in the testnet, you can go to the faucet to claim a set of all of the collateral. That gave us 0.5 GTC ETH that we can now use to open a position. In this example, I'll be staking half of a GTC ETH worth $1,200 and borrowing $400 worth of AZUSD. I have to approve my GTC ETH to be spent. After the approval is completed, I'm now able to make my deposit and withdraw at the same time. This creates a safe. So there we go. I have 400 AZUSD in my wallet and a position here with a collateral ratio of 300%, which is very low risk. If I'd like to interact with my position, I can come back to my safe and click these so I can deposit more GTC, borrow more AZUSD, withdraw some of my collateral, pay back some of my debt, or close my position. I'll borrow some more AZUSD to demonstrate. So this now would be borrowing an additional $73, which changes my collateral ratio.